Why is it that every time you take a challenge, you fail?
Why is it that each and every time you get to a funded phase, you blow the account?
Why? I think that is all because you are building your character.
One day, you'll actually look back and thank yourself that, thank God, I actually went through this. Thank God I didn't give up.
Thank God I failed.
And ask yourself, why did I fail? Yes, maybe I was overtrading. Yes, maybe I need to work on my risk management. Maybe I was a gambler. You need to actually find your problem in order for you to help yourself to find progress.
One day you will get to a point whereby you are thankful for everything you've went through and you'll be so far ahead. And when you look back, you're like, wow, I really did this. Don't care so much about what's happening in the present. Don't care so much about what's happening now. Focus on the future. Focus on what you can do. Focus on who you need to become in order for you to get where you want to be. We've gotten to a point whereby we've perfected our strategy, many will retire, and many lives will be changed.
I believe in us and I believe in you.
Make sure you watch that video up until the end. You can't afford to miss this one.
FS Gojo Mentors.
Let's go.
FS Gojo Mentors, guys, we are officially starting the $50 to 50K challenge in under 50 days. You heard that right, guys. In order for you to join the challenge, make sure you follow us on all our socials and also join our Telegram channel. And that is where we're going to be sharing all our trade ideas. And it's also important for you guys to know that all the trades we're going to take in order for us to grow this account are not financial advice. That is just our personal views on the market. Yes, guys. And you might ask yourself, why are we starting the challenge now? The reason we're actually starting the challenge now, guys, is because just like when we started our journey, we actually made our first million trading Forex and strictly through Forex, guys. And we did that when Trump was the president. Because when Trump is the president, that is when we have such market conditions. I mean, look at USDT, guys. These are the trading conditions that you should expect moving forward. It was so easy back then to make the money that we made. So today, guys, Trump was actually elected as the 47th president in the United States. And that is why it's the perfect time for you to take your trading seriously and change your life. Many of you guys in the Telegram channel actually recommended that we should use an Android device to grow this account. So to cater for the vast majority, we went out and bought this Samsung device Cash, which is an Android, just to complete the challenge.
A fucking goat outside.
It's just a goat.
No, it's a fucking goat.
This is impressive, bro. This is impressive. Can you show me the deposit as well from that side? That's the one. That's 30K. You made 8. You took out your draw. Can you tell me your name, where you're from, how long you've been trading?
My name is Christian. So actually, I'm living here in Devon.
Yeah.
I'm actually from Zimbabwe, right?
Isn't?
Yes.
I will shout out, bro.
Yes.
Shout out. Yeah.
So yeah, I started to trade. I bought your course, the 3.0.
Isn't?
Yeah, I bought the 3.0.
So that's how you're able to make profits.
Yeah, so I made profits. Deposit 3K. Then firstly, because I think I made something around about 7K or something. Then I took withdraw 6,000. The following day, I made another profit. Then I withdrew 5K.
I love the lot size, proper risk management. I love
Then the
that
other
approach.
day, I started to play around. Then it showed me flames. But,
But it'll come
it's part
back.
of the process.
So far, how you liking the session? How you liking the
As for me, the session is so good because I'm refreshing. Once I took those losses, I just decided to take a small step a bit, and just to work on my mindset. But the most important thing that I have to work on is the psychology part. Because in terms of the technical analysis, I can actually say that I'm getting the skill.
Yeah, and I wanted to ask you a question. What advice can you give to somebody? Because what you're doing there, man, I'm not gonna lie. This is great work, right? This is great work. We'd actually love to see more of this. And can you give advice to somebody who's struggling, who's never even been able to make profits? How would you say we're able to do that?
As for me, the first advice is the number one thing that I can actually, you can be good with your technicals, but the most important thing is the psychology part. Because if you are not used, let's say, to make that amount of money, seeing it running in profit, at the end of the day, sometimes you might be right, but you're gonna cut your profits short, or you must start to overtrade. And the moment you start to overtrade, you start to lose. So that's the number one thing. But the most important, like what they say, it's actually true that trading is 90% psychology and 10% technical. Because you can teach someone technical, like today, someone can learn everything today.
But if they don't master psychology,
psychology.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's my biggest takeaway. If I want to advise someone, then
Oh, wait, man, I appreciate it, my bro.
Shout out.
What's up, guys? We pick again. I was just talking to TP, right? I was talking to TP after we did all the tasks we had to do. You know, we woke up, did our analysis, you know, pushed a few businesses that we run. And we're talking about the $50 to 50K challenge. Mind you, this challenge is gonna take less than 50 days. That is 49 days. And approximately it's gonna be 7 weeks. So to achieve this target in 7 weeks, there's gonna be a lot that we're gonna learn. It's not gonna be mastering technical analysis, bro. To take you from that level, to take you from $50 to 50K is more than just analyzing and focusing on technical analysis. It's way more than that. And that is what you're gonna see in this challenge, guys. The psychology that we're gonna go through, the changes that we need to go through as well to be able to conquer our psychology. Bro, that is the hardest part that you're gonna learn through this challenge. Got a few things to do. TP went out and I have to go also run some errands for myself. So I'll keep you updated. Let's get it, boys. Busy analyzing the market, guys. We're doing the $50 to 50,000 challenge series. It's gonna be a series basically being analyzing a few pairs, looking at a few possibilities. As you guys know, man, that is our way. We plan and we execute. There's a few possible momentum coming for gold. We see a few possible bullish momentum. We can have an entry upon retest and scaling our profits, maximize wins and minimize losses. You can see this is our approach. And we also check the XY. We also check our news. It's very important for us to be always updated with news, because to be an exceptional trader, to be a great trader, you need to combine both fundamentals and technicals. So today we already have initial jobless claims coming, and we also have FOMC that we're definitely going to kill. These are the new events, and we're basically learning on how to work with both analysis so we can always be ahead in the market.
Yeah, don't also forget about the GBP 2 o'clock news. We have the interest rate decision. So today we're analyzing GBUSD, US30 and also gold. So these are the type of things that we'll see basically being affected by the market.
Yeah, man. You know, that's what happens when you become a sentimental trader. Well, let's kill it.
Yeah, so guys, this is the first trade in the morning. You know, it's day 1 of 50 days. Let's see what happens. Obviously, guys, not just top of the morning. We are also going to go to the office during the day and show you guys how everything is done. Basically, we're just showing you a live of a trader while we're also growing the account. And that is the account, guys.
We
Look at
haven't
that.
took a trade yet. We're still planning our trades. You plan, you execute.
Yes, sir. First day. Let's see what happens at the end of the day.
Yes, sir.
If it's got your mentor, plan and execute.
We're back again, guys. We just took our first entry on gold, and this is how our analysis looks like. You can see we're already at entry price, and we're expecting the market to push all the way towards the upside. This is what we have currently in running profits, and the challenge just got started. So I want to turn it to landscape mode to show you guys exactly how it looks like. You can see already for gold, we had an impulse move correction, and now we're expecting a further impulse or a push towards the upside, and this is how gold currently looks like. So this is how we're going to be approaching this account, guys. We're making sure that we use proper risk management. So let's step away and come back later. We're back again, guys. Our gold trade is currently at entry point. As you guys can see already, I'm going to be doing some analysis for you guys, and I'll also be updating my stop loss and take profit. So first things first, I want to show you guys how I analyze. I'm going to go to the tools and put in my trend lines, and you guys can see already, guys, I actually figured out how to turn my theme to a white theme, because this is how I actually like my charts, clean and simple. So right now I'm actually looking for my trend line. I'm not really familiar a lot with an Android just yet, but you know, I have to do what I gotta do, and I want to make a few adjustments. This is my trend line over here. And another thing that I actually want to do with my trend line is to highlight all those high for gold so that I can identify my resistance. And I also want to edit how my trend line looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color to black, and I also want to increase my pixels to 4. That for me gives me a more better view of the market, and that way I can see my trend lines even more easier. So I'm going to double that and actually put it to the bottom so I can see that for gold we are still currently in a bullish trend. So if I'm going to look for sells, I need to see the market breaking outside my bullish trend. So currently, guys, this is what I'm seeing. I want to give the market enough area to breathe. I want to see exactly what we can expect from here moving forward. I also want to put my support structure, take it back to portrait mode. We'll also be looking to scale in more trades with the higher lot if the market respects our setup. But before we do that, let me add my support. Right, my support is not yet edited yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to some changes, turn it to blue, and switch on fill. So this is how it looks like. This is my area of support, meaning if I break below the structure, I'll expect the market to sell. So I'm just updating my take profit from there, expecting to lose $12 to make 70. Now let's step away and come back later.
We back again, guys. Yes, sir. Gold is finally in profit, and this is how our chart actually looks like. This is what we currently have for gold, and those are our targets. So what we're looking at right now, guys, we're looking at areas to scale in more trades to see exactly how far we can take the gold trade. Let's step away and come back later. We back again, guys. We just killed gold. We have actually found an opportunity to enter more trades as I've been busy throughout the day, but this is how the chart actually looks like, guys. You can see all our trades are protected. We have all our stop losses above entry, and we are currently maximizing on our winning trade, and that is our strategy, guys. We only add more trades into our winning trades. So over here, guys, I need to update my take profit, and I also need to update more take profits so that I can be able to secure all the trades I have running, guys. As you can see, gold has been a bit volatile due to Trump, so I'm actually looking for an opportunity to get out of these trades. I'll possibly swing some next few trades, but currently, guys, I'm happy with my profits. Let's step away and come back later.
Yo, my bro, what's happening, guys? First day.
So the skill, bro, we literally shared all this setup with you guys. We shared the setup before it happened and after it happened. You can see over here, guys. We
$500 from
only
$50.
3 trades. Check the lot size: 0.1, 0.8, and 0.08. Both of them are 0.08, I mean to say, and only 0.01. We're gonna show you guys also the table for lot sizing. That is the table for lot sizing we use for an account that is still below $1,000. So over here, guys, this is how we took the trades. You can see that reversing, and I feel like
let me see.
it's almost time to close, bro. It's almost time to close.
So they're about to reverse, ne?
Yeah, look at the
because
entries.
what is the time now? What is the time now?
Now it's 6. News approaching. Let me show you. This is where we took the first entry. It was not the cleanest. We got the retest on this support structure. We took the entry, reversed, and then it came back again. It came back, and then we took another entry here. This was one of the cleanest, but it still went down a bit. But the best trade was the one that we took here. Small retracement, then we're gone. Then we kept on holding this trade, bro. We kept on holding this trade. We're gonna get out now. Obviously, guys, still the same account. I was just showing you the entries on the iPhone, but since we're trading on this device, I'm gonna be closing the trades.
Yeah.
All right. Let me also take an Instagram video because I'm also updating you guys on Instagram. You can follow us on Instagram. I'm gonna close some of the trades. So let me close some of the trades now. It's time. How do I go about closing the trade on the Android? Okay, this is how we do it.
Boom.
What? Closed.
Just like that. Yo. Let me check, bro.
Yo.
Imagine.
Crazy,
From
bro.
$50.
One trade, bro.
One trade.
Let me close another one. Let me close. I feel like we should just leave this one.
Yeah, leave the small one
Yeah.
and let it run, right? Just lock and hold that one.
Yeah, lock and hold.
Yeah, lock and hold.
I'm gonna close this. All these ones had stop loss above entry. The last one that's left.
Yo.
So let me record the last one. Moving stop loss above entry, lock and hold. Yeah. So since we have enough now, I'm just gonna lock this profit, and we have now enough room for the market to go and hit the overall target. Bro, we literally killed this.
Imagine, dog. Is
We
that
literally killed this.
$500 balance running?
Bro?
In just day one. Day one, bro. Already $474. Guys, you know one thing I want to tell you guys. The reason we're killing the market right now, guys, is because Trump is the president.
Yes,
and
sir.
knowing that Trump is the president gives us so much understanding of the market, because when we started trading, guys, we were actually trading when Trump was the president. And we understand how that market works.
Yeah.
The market conditions are way so much better than when Biden is the president. Right now, guys, just watch and see. We're literally doing this challenge in under 50 days.
Live, guys, live. Yes, sir.
Live. FS Got Your Mentor.
Signing out.
Let's go.
It's a new day, guys, and I'm still holding my gold trade from yesterday. This is actually day 2 of 50, and currently, guys, I'm thinking of actually entering another gold trade. On the side here, guys, that is a screenshot of actually the analysis. As you guys know, we always analyze from TradingView, and we always give our people an opportunity to know even when we've entered the trade, right? This is not a signal, and understand that, guys, this is not financial advice, right? I'm simply showing you on how I trade. You can simply choose to follow along so that we all grow together. Right now, I'm actually setting up all my take profit and stop loss areas because I'm still holding the trade from yesterday. I have stop loss above entry, and now I've entered a new trade. I have stop loss below entry, mainly because I'm still waiting to see if we're going to profit with this new particular entry. I'm waiting to see if we're still going to push towards the upside. I mean, today it is a Friday. Let's see what the market has for us. We're also looking at Euro AUD as we're anticipating bullish momentum coming in. Let's come back later and see what happens, guys.
Here we go again, guys. Day 2 of taking $50 into 50K in under 50 days. Only takes one setup per trade. One setup is literally enough to just kill this challenge, and this is what we're expecting right now. Euro AUD, we're expecting a return on the support structure, basically get a retest, take an entry, and then we fly to the top. This is simply how we do it, guys. Follow your plan and you execute. Plan and execute. FOREX Go strategy. Let's go.
And we're back again, guys. We had an amazing day. Unfortunately, guys, we were too busy, but we eventually also closed our Euro AUD entries after we've entered them, guys. I'm basically showing here on the screenshot entries that we've closed. We only have one last Euro AUD trade holding and also one last gold trade running that we are holding as well, guys. But so far, this is the progress that we've made in just 2 days, guys. We literally took the account from $50 to $750 in just 2 days. That is the power of understanding high probability trades and also scaling in once you're in profits. But nonetheless, guys, this is part 1. Stay tuned. FOREX Go, your mentor, signing out.